Friends, you must be using Google on a daily basis for searching multiple queries, but you must not be knowing about these 10 tricks that we are going to tell you today. So let's get started and see what all tricks we have for Google.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Friends, starting from the very first one, that is searching. You just need to put any search query and then you have to write file type as PDF or doc. Then all the result will actually showcase you only the links that contains a PDF or a document file. So this is the easiest way to find a research paper or anything whatever that is published uh, as a file type as PDF or doc. So you must have used plus and minus in your mathematics, but now today we are going to use it in your Google search criteria. So you can just write it as Tom plus something like Charlie or something, anything. So it will include Tom with Charlie as a keyword and then will provide you the results. And similarly, when you write it as Tom minus Charlie, that means all the search results which have Tom but don't have Charlie, that will be showcased in the below list. As you can see down below, so we have written it as Tom minus Charlie. Now Charlie is gone out of the picture and you can just see Tom in the results. So now coming to the next one, it is related with nearby. So you must have heard about nearby application, but now today we are going to use it as a keyword. So whenever you write nearby at the end of the keyword, it will search all the things nearby your place. So just like I have searched for coffee nearby, it will showcase me all the cafes nearby. If in case I write it as restaurant nearby, then it will showcase me all the restaurant lists that are nearby my area. So next one is very common. Whenever you want to search a particular keyword in a particular date range, I would suggest, if in case I want to see what all blogs were published in the month of January till March, then I can easily put my from date as January, 1st January, and you can just put it as March or April, whatever is the search criteria for you. So you can easily see all the published blogs in that particular date range. So next one is the phrase. So phrase, whenever I say phrase, so whenever you write any keyword, you just put it in the double quotes. So whenever you put it in double quotes, Google will search for all the documents which contain the complete phrase in their title, URL, or in their blog. So it will help you in searching the phrase particularly in the complete Google dictionary. Similarly, I will write as I suppose Ilu and then just double quotes. You can see complete set of results which include Ilu as the keyword. So coming to the next one, that is related with which particular keyword you want to search in a particular website. Suppose I want to search cafe shops in Delhi and just wanted to search this in zomato.com. So I will write it as site colon zomato.com. Similarly, you can write any website you want to do it. Even if in case you want to search on a particular domain, suppose you want to search in only in educational domain website, so you can just write it as site.edu and then it will showcase as edu sites only. So to search the titles only, you need to do one thing, that you have to write in titles colon and then write whatever keyword that you have in mind, that will search only in title, not in URL, not in your complete description, but only in title. And similarly, if in case I write it as all in title, then it will search for multiple words in title only. Suppose you write anything that cow is grazing. So it will search for all three words that should be there in your title. So similarly you can make it for in URL, so that will search in your URL only. So guys, go and try these tricks. I must say this, that you will love all these tricks and it would be useful for you. So just subscribe our channel and like our video and share to your friends.